in a straight line. Down here. Oh!
Hello, Boz. Didn't you know I was following you?
No, I didn't.
Hello, Boz.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm walking in a pattern. A straight line pattern.
This checkerboard is a checked pattern.
Oh.
I'm walking in a circle pattern.
When we dance, we make patterns.
That's right. Let's do our circle dance.
Oh,
Yes!
Round we go, skip, skip, skip. Back again. Round the other way. Back again. To the left. Spin around. To the right. Round and round. Up and down. Down and up. Hooray!
I love dancing.
We all love dancing.
Let's go and find some more patterns.
Yes.
Yes.
Cubeez, follow me. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Somewhere that is always hot. The eyes and noses' favourite spot. Trees and plants grow all about. If you know, then shout it out.
The jungle!
Yes!
Ooh.
Oh, yes!
You're right, Boz. This place is full of patterns.
Dink and I can look for stripes, and you two can look for spots.
Oh, good. I'm feeling in a spotty mood.
Stripes. Those are patterns made of lines.
That's right, Dink. Over here, Dink.
Look! Stripy stripes! Wow!
Let's go and collect some more.
Just a minute. We mustn't pick the leaves or plants.
So, how can we collect the patterns?
We can take photos of them.
Brilliant! Take a photo of me, Doody, please.
But you're not spotty.
I am now.
Oh, look, there are some spotty leaves.
Oh, it's raining.
There are rain spots on the ground.
Oh, a puddle. Goody!
Oh, my feet are all wet. I think we should shelter in the cave.
Oh, all right.
Ugh. I don't like this rain. It's too... wet.
Rain is always wet, Dink.
This rain seems wetter than usual.
Let's go and find Doody and Tizzy.
But we'll get wet.
Not with my super stripy umbrella, we won't.
Wow.
I don't think they've spotted us yet.
Sorry, Doody.
That's not Doody. That's a tree.
Where is Doody?
And where's Tizzy?
Look! Footprints!
Looks to me like a creature with 4 feet.
What could that be?
I don't know. Let's see where the footprints lead to. Look.
Let's hide. It was you two.
Yes, of course it was.
I wasn't really scared.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't. I mean, it isn't as if we saw a dinosaur or anything.
Ooh, look.
Can't believe I'm a dinosaur. I stomp around a bit, then I stomp around some more. People look at me and they say, "Oh, Lord, here comes a dinosaur."
Look at me, I'm a flappy bat. I flap around like this and I hang around like that. People look at me and they say, "Oh, drat, here comes a flappy bat."
Look at me, I'm a grizzly bear. I grow over here and I grow over there. People look at me and they say, "Beware, here comes a grizzly bear."
Look at me, I'm a crocodile. I snap my teeth and I do it all the while. People look at me and they run a mile. Here comes a crocodile.
Come on, everyone. It's time to see Learning Wall.
Yeah!
Come on, Cubeez.
Hello, Cubeez. Let me make some patterns for you.
Yes, please, Learning Wall!
Red and yellow lines going up and down. What sort of pattern is that?
I know! It's stripes.
Oh, yes.
Very good, Dink. And this?
Cubeezy, it's stripes going the other way.
Oh, yes. What's that?
It's a checkerboard of checks.
I knew you'd get that one. But how about this?
I don't know.
We call those zigzags. Next.
Yes, that's a spotty pattern made of circles.
That's a wavy pattern, like waves on the sea.
Yes, that's it.
Indeed. In fact, you can make a pattern out of any shape you wish.
Even triangles?
Of course, Dink.
Golly.
Even stars?
Even stars. You see, a pattern is something that repeats itself.
That means it happens again and again and again.
Exactly. You can make a pattern out of anything.
Wow! Let's have a pattern of flowers.
It's a flowery dress.
Of course.
What about a pattern of balloons?
I love balloons.
It looks like the paper you wrap your birthday presents in.
How about a pattern of pigs? I mean, a pattern of pigs.
Look at that! Piggy wallpaper.
Hey!
And what pattern is my favourite?
Well, it's,
Checks,
of course.
Stripes, spots, zigs and zags. Oh, I forget the rest. Just give me some coloured squares. That's the pattern I like best.
Thanks, Learning Wall.
You're welcome, Buzz. Goodbye, Cubeez.
Bye.
Yay!
Thank you.
we are on our toes. We are being good. We are on our toes, like a rabbit would. We are on our toes. We are being hush. We are on our toes. So everybody shh. Tippy tippy toe toe tippy toe. Tippy tippy toe toe tippy toe. Tippy tippy toe toe tippy toe. Tippy tippy toe toe. Shh. I like my colour, but it's very plain.
I've got an idea. Wait and see.
Oh,
Yay! Oh, wonderful.
Wow! Look at me. I'm all stripy.
I'm checked.
And I'm spotty.
I'm all flowery.
We're patterned Cubeez.